The winter storm advisory is in effect, and now we wait. The radar says 100% chance of snow at 6 a.m. The clouds are starting to get really thick outside. We are more than prepared for this. I'm actually really excited to potentially be snowed in.
So it's gonna look like a little bit of a winter wonderland, but
Good morning. I set the alarms for 5:30 this morning to get up and get the heater on because it said yesterday 100% chance of snow at 6. And the thought of seeing that with the sunrise sounded amazing. Now that we're up and dressed and ready to go, it's down to 59%. So we're gonna wait a little bit because we're a little early and see what happens. To see these landscapes shift so drastically overnight is amazing. We should be getting some more snow throughout the morning and then a little bit more into the afternoon. We got the snow, guys. Good morning. Back inside, feeling cozy with this new heater. A little different than Breck. Hey, Cody.
it's snowing.
It's days like this that make me feel so lucky to be able to be living in my van and just enjoying this moment without any anxiety that I need to be doing something else. I just get to be a kid. I'm so grateful for this. Ever since living in New York, I've always had a terrible time knowing how many inches have actually fallen, so I could not tell you how much snow we have. I do know it's more than we got in Breck, and it's a couple of inches for sure. Unfortunately, it seems like the weather is going to shift here soon, at least according to the radar. Seems like the snow might stop here and it's going to shift into rain.
This is crazy. The most snow I've seen.
We are much more toasty this time around. We don't keep this thing on the entire time, but I'll turn it on for like a good 20-minute period or so and then off for a little while. But it feels so nice to get toasty in here rather than having to put on every single layer of clothing that I own.
I'm closing it so keep the air in.
Huh?
Well,
What? I can't hear you.
I'm closing it to keep the heat in for you.
Okay. I totally just put a bunch of snow down my back when I put my hood up. Don't die. Don't die. Oh, that was terrible.